Okay, on this one we're going to do the safety selector switch and the pistol grip. It's got to be done at the same time. So just one thing, when you put your lower in your vise, just make sure that your bolt catch isn't hitting the vise, because we'll be turning on stuff. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and start with our selector, our safety selector switch. I'm just going to put a couple drops of oil on it. And hit the detent spring. Some lithium grease. Oh, too much. Okay, your safety selector switch is going to slide in. It's going to be from the left to the right. It's upside down, so it looks like it's right to left. And then your spring is going to, let me turn this vise around. Turn off this light. Ooh, I can't see. Your detent is going to go pointed in down. And is that focused in there? And the flat side is going to go out on it. We'll drop that in. And then let's get our pistol grip. Some of these will have like a star washer on there, like a lock washer. Some of them have a bit of Loctite on them. I haven't opened this, and I think Magpul just use a regular screw. Yeah, and they've already put Loctite on there, so you don't have to worry about doing that. Eventually. Okay, we're just going to put this, goes a little hole in your pistol grip. You're going to put your spring on in. Okay, this is going to be a tight fit. You're just going to straddle this. Like this. There it goes. Make sure your spring is lined up in there. Don't bind it. And then we'll just put our screw in. You'll see two holes in there. It's going to be the forwardmost hole is where your screw's going to go. And we're just going to tighten that down. Quite easier said than done. And just make sure you don't cross thread it, obviously. And just snug that up, and you're done. Go ahead and put our little cap back on. Just make sure your safety's working. Cock the hammer. Oh, another thing I forgot to say, mine was already done. Before you put your safety, or your your safety selector in there, make sure your hammer's cocked back. So we'll put it on safe. Make sure it doesn't fire. On fire. And I try your safety several times. And everything's working right. On the next video, we'll do the lower receiver extension and the butt stock and the takedown pin. And that'll be it for the lower. It'll be done. Thanks.